Halo, Assalamualaikum. My name is Albert Putra. Today I'll be presenting to topic that might seem simple at first glance, but are actually fundamental and powerful in understanding language, part of speak and sentence diagramming. We'll explore not just what nouns, verbs, and other categories are, but also how they work together in sentence structure, and how we can literally see that structure through diagrams. By the end of this, I promise you'll never look at sentence the same way again. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. First, we'll break down the concept of part of speech, what the categories are and why they matter. They will move to sentence diagramming, how we can visualize sentence structure. We'll look at simple example and then move towards slightly more complex ones with modifiers. The goal is not just to understand the theory, but to feel how a sentence is built visually and logically. Part of speak are essentially how we categorize words based on their function in a sentence. Think of it like a football team. A sentence, each word has a position to play. Nouns are the striker, verbs are the movers, prepositions are the strategists, and so on. When when we understand each role, we can start to read sentence structure the way we read formation in a game, with strategy and precision. Age, main category, nouns, name, name people, things, or idea, and pronouns, replace nouns to avoid repetition. Verb indicates action or states, and adjective describe or modify nouns. Adverb modify verb, adjective, or other adverb. Preposition show relationship in space or time. Conjunction link word or clause, and interjection express emotion. If we master this category, we can read and build sentences the way programmers read and write code efficiently and structurally. So why does this matter? Because when we know the function of each word, we can write and speak more clearly, more effectively, and with better accuracy. Part of speak may seem basic, but they're the foundation of everything, whether you're learning advanced grammar, writing academic text, or even working in creative fields like copywriting, everything comes back to this. Now, let's move to something more visual. Sentence diagramming, think of it is a blueprint of a sentence. We map out where each word goes and how it connects to the other. Why is this important? Because sometimes sentences look simple but are structurally complex. Diagramming let us see the skeleton of a sentence in a clear and logical way. The main goal of sentence diagramming is to visually represent how each word functions in a sentence. This is incredibly helpful when analyzing long or ambiguous sentences. For example, in academic writing or argumentative paragraphs, diagramming helps us pinpoint the main subject, supporting clause, and the logical connection between ideas. Let's start with something simple. She writes a letter. This sentence has three core elements. See the subject and write the verb, later the object. In diagram form is a straight horizontal line, subject on the left, verb in the middle, object on the right. Simple, but this is the backbone of all more complex structure. Now let's add some richness like this sentence. The small dog barks loudly. In this case, the and small are modifier of the noun dog. Loudly is an adverb modifying the verb barks. In the diagram, the and small are placed beneath dog, while loudly is placed beneath barks. This is show that they enrich the main word, but aren't the core structure. If the core words are like the player on the field, modifier are like the perfect assist, optional, but they make the game beautiful. CP is complementizer plus is although and break to sentence and NP determine the noun is matched and VP VP auxiliary was verb is delayed. PP is prep due, prep to, and noun right break to sentence NP and VP again. Non plus determiner the noun players. VP verb continue NP determiner their adjective warm up and noun is routine. Adjective new, noun regulation, VP auxiliary, verb announce, VP again, PP prep personnel, by, NP determiner the, and noun government, P, PP prep after, NP determiner the, and noun economy. V, so, PP noun sign, NP prep of, and noun instability. NP det the, noun man, sentence NP who, purpose aux was, verb arrest, PP again, and this adjective last, noun night, VP, VP, aux had, aux been, verb heading, PP, prep in, NP determiner the, adjective abandon, noun warehouse, PP prep for, noun wake. The big girls of Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. Sentence NP determiner the, adjective big, noun girl, verb saw, NP noun Eliezer, prepositional prep with, NP that, a, adjective lovable, noun panda, adverb recently. Okay, thank you. I think it's enough.